as promised, I was going to update you. I got diagnosed with COVID a few days ago. I just wanted to walk you guys through what I'm feeling. Hopefully I can help a couple people out there. Much better. Feeling better as I go. We all got mild symptoms. My wife has it as well. She's doing better. She did get her voice back, which is a great thing. Great thing that she got her voice back. My youngest daughter has barely any symptoms. We all still can't really taste certain things. You feel the throat getting swollen a little bit. You know, it's something very, very serious, guys. If you're over 70, having underlying conditions, definitely take it seriously. But doing great. Thank you so much for all the emails that you've been sending me, FrankCurzioResearch.com. I really appreciate it. I love you guys, especially the ones that are saying that, hey, Frank, you better live. I'm going to have a lifetime membership, which I reply is, that's your problem. I think I'm going to make it. I'm going to be fine. Or some of the others that are like, Frank, I hope you're better. I hope everything's great. What do you think about FedEx's numbers today? Which they blew out the numbers, which is funny. But I did want to move on. I am feeling better. I want to just kind of update you guys. You know, again, you got to get your rest. You got to have your liquids and drink and stuff like that. But thank you so much. So many doctors reaching out, different things. It's really cool. But I wanted to break down a story for you really quick. It has to do with Coinbase. So Coinbase filed for their IPO as Bitcoin soars past 23,000. What does this mean? Coinbase is the largest, usually, platform that trades cryptocurrencies. But when you look at it, it trades only a certain amount. If you look at crypto right here. So these are the ones I support on Coinbase. There's about 45 here. In order to grow, they have to add more securities, like a New York Stock Exchange, like everything, right? You want to get more people to your platform, but you have to get more of these. This way you're making your trading fees, right? And how many more? Well, if you look at just coin market cap and you take a look at this and how many are here, they list them in order of the market cap, and then you go down here, right here, look at this number, 4,065. Coinbase can never even come close to getting that number on there. Now, why not? Because they will not be able to list utility tokens. All tokens are going to be deemed securities except for a few, the Bitcoins, Ethereum, and they're trading a few. But in order for those securities, those utility tokens to become security tokens, they have to be regulated, and you have to show your financials, something that we do with our CEO token. We're a security token. So they don't have access to the utility market. Utilities are not going to change their structure because they don't want to tell you what they did with all the cash that they raised. They want to tell you how much inside ownership they have. They don't even want to tell you how much revenue they generate, right? So how does this platform grow? Coinbase doing an IPO is significant. It means that the STO market is about to take off, which is great. We're going to be talking about this on our summit today, where you could register, and I will bring that up for you right here. It's at 8 p.m. today. I'm going to talk about all this stuff. This is an industry. You're going to see how passionate I am about it. That's our website, CurzioResearch.com, where you can register absolutely for free. We're going to talk about how you can buy these things. We just made our first recommendation. But as someone that's been through this process, one of the only ones so far that has done a security token offering, we raised $4 million. Now, our small business, anyone could own it. Any mom and pop investor, you don't have to be a credit investor. We're trading on a merge exchange on the symbol CEO. Again, we're a small company, but you get to participate on the ground floor of something that's growing, and we're in a lot of growth markets. It is risky, but I'm going to explain how this process works, because you're going to see more small companies. You're seeing governments do it, tokenized assets. There's trillions of dollars that are going to be tokenized, and you don't have to worry about getting on the snowflakes or getting in at DoorDashes after they IPO at what, $50, $100 billion valuations, right? Have any of you participated in the early stages of those companies, that growth? No, that's Wall Street. That's a boys club. I'm going to teach you how to get into this market. It's something that I'm very proud of that we did. I'm going to explain exactly how we did it. It's a lot of fun. So 2020 Security Token Summit, getting all ready. So you guys are used to this view. This is my podcast view. How's it going? This is our studio here. You can even get the long one. How's it going? Hey. So we got all these camera views, all these camera views, all these camera views. So getting ready for it, 8 o'clock. Again, you can register absolutely for free. Trust me. You know the system. Obviously, we're going to be talking about our crypto intelligence newsletter, but this is something that's for free. I want you to educate yourself on this industry. It's going to be like buying internet companies in the early 90s. It's going to give you an opportunity not just to make 5 times, 10 times, but generational wealth. And you normally don't get that unless you're on the inside of Wall Street. Now I'm going to open up that market to mom and pop investors. Really exciting stuff. And I'm coming on in just about 2 hours. So I'll see you guys soon. Take care.